This video is a tutorial on how to conduct a soil particle analysis with a hydrometer. We will first prepare a reference cylinder and a soil solution mixture ahead of time. You will need 125 milliliters of dispersant solution, which is 40 grams a liter of sodium metaphosphate, 40 grams of air-dried soil, DI water, and alcohol. As for equipment, you will need some 1-liter cylinders, a 600 milliliter beaker, a scale, a graduated cylinder, a spoon, an electric stirrer and cup, a hydrometer, and a stopwatch. To make the reference cylinder, measure 125 milliliters of the dispersant solution and add it to the 1-liter cylinder. Then fill the rest of the cylinder with DI water up until the 1-liter line. To make the soil solution mixture, measure 40 grams of air-dried soil and put it into a 600 milliliter beaker. Then add 125 milliliters of dispersant solution and 275 milliliters of DI water. Mix it and leave it to sit overnight. Stir the soil solution mixture and transfer it into the electric stirrer cup. Make sure all soil particles are emptied into the cup by scooping it out and then thoroughly rinsing the beaker and the spoon with DI water. Insert the cup into the electric stirrer and mix it for 5 minutes. When finished, make sure to use DI water to rinse all soil particles off the electric stirrer and into the cup. Then, transfer the soil mixture into the 1-liter cylinder. Make sure to rinse the stirrer cup thoroughly. If it's necessary, you can add DI water to within about 1 centimeter of the 1-liter mark. Cover the soil cylinder with the stopper and invert the cylinder 30 times in 1 minute. Record the time that you finished mixing it at, then rinse the sides of the cylinder with DI water and bring the volume to the 1-liter line. Lower the hydrometer into the soil mixture and add a drop of alcohol on top of the hydrometer if the surface is covered in foam. Record the reading after 40 seconds since being done mixing. Once you are finished, remove the hydrometer and then rinse and dry it. The timing of when you take your hydrometer readings will depend on the level of detail required for your analysis. 2 possible methods are outlined in Procedures for Testing Soils by the American Society for Testing in Materials 1964, and Soil Sampling Methods of Analysis, edited by Carter and Gregorick 2008. Also refer to these resources for calculations to determine percent silt, sand, and clay.